In this video, we are going to discuss about service asset and configuration management. So, what is service asset and configuration management? The service asset and configuration management in one liner is know what you have. That means know what are the services we have and plan it accordingly. So, coming to the objectives of the service asset and configuration management, the first objective is to identify, record and provide accurate information of the configuration items. So, they identify, record it based on the categories and provide accurate information of the IT components or configuration items. Provide the logical mode for IT infrastructure correlating the IT services and other components. That means it provides a logical mode of an IT infrastructure and also it relate with the other IT services and their components. So, coming to protect integrity of the CIs. So, it protects the integrity based on the integration plans it have. Create, maintain and configuration items system. That means they create the services based on the CI components as well as they maintain the configuration management system. So, manage service assets and service CIs. That means they manage the service assets as well as the service configuration items. Perform regular audits and status accounting activities for all the CIs. That means they do a regular audit and also update the CIs and they account it based on the activities performed on the CIs. So, we look after the logical model here. In the logical model, we take an example of a customer called RBS Bank or Bank of America or Citibank. So, every bank need SAP services as well as IT infra services. In the SAP service, you can see SAP service 1, SAP service 2 have an application infrastructure. In the similar way, IT infra services needs IT infra service 1, IT infra service 2 and it has an application infrastructure. So, both these infrastructure needs a data center where a data center which can be used as a remote connectivity, messaging also can be performed and web services. That means these services all should be present in the correlated to a data center network, so that from the data center network you can remotely connect to any of the other computer or you can message to internal and external clients, as well as we have web services where we can connect to the web server and automatic vice versa. So, you can see clearly about what are the key concepts in service transition, asset management and configuration management. Configuration items, baseline and variant is discussed in service asset management and configuration management. What are the types of CIs available and also configuration management system. All these key concepts will be discussed in the next videos.